Nothing Phone 3a Lite is rumored to launch globally in the coming months, including in India. Following its appearance on Geekbench yesterday, the rumored Nothing Phone 3a Lite has surfaced in another leak, this time revealing its possible price and launch date. The Phone 3a Lite is expected to go on sale in Europe on November 4th, and will be available in the classic black and white shades. The Phone 3a Lite is said to cost €249.99, around $290 in France, while some European markets could get it for as low as €239.99. The phone appeared with an octa-core chipset, which is believed to be the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, paired with a Mali G615 MC2 GPU. The Phone 3a Lite managed to score 1,003 points in single-core and 2,925 in multi-core tests. Nothing Phone 3a Lite could be offered in a single 8GB RAM plus 128GB onboard storage variant. Nothing Phone 3a Lite could become a compelling option in the mid-range 5G segment. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.